Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the letter case on the PowerPoint on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your presentation, and after that select the text, then go to your home page at the top and tap on this more button and click on the change case section, and here you can find the 5 available cases such as sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word like this, or you can also use this toggle case, meaning that it both includes lower and uppercase as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.